How to wire transfer with Simplii Financial. So log into your Simplii online banking account. Once logged in, navigate to the transfers or transfer money section. Look for the option to make a wire transfer or international transfer. Select the amount from which you want to send the funds. Enter the recipient's bank information including their name, address and account number. Input the amount you wish to transfer and select the currency. Review the transfer details to ensure accuracy, including any fees associated with the transfer. Confirm the wire transfer by clicking on the appropriate button. If prompt, verify the transaction with any additional security measures. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.